What's up buddy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'll discuss about recent times market correction and upcoming we might face the big market crash. So guys, in recent market correction, two factors is working really hard. One is US recession and another one is Japan's market. If you look at the Japan's index, that is Nikkei. So Nikkei has been corrected roughly 28% in last 1 month. From 42,500 it has been corrected till 30,300 in last Monday. So which was big crash. If you look at the volatility index of USA, in 2008 it was touched near about 96. During the 2020 COVID crash it was touched 85, and on last Monday it was touched 65. So you can see how fear has been generating in all over the world. So now the big question is coming, like why this kind of global sell-off is coming and why Japanese index Nikkei has been fallen so much. I don't know how many people know about the carry trade, so let's get to know about it. So what if like tomorrow RBI comes to you and if RBI tells that you can borrow money from us and we won't take any interest charge, then what will you do? So definitely you'll go and grab the deal, you'll take the money. With that money, what you can do is that you can do the FD, that is pretty much safe investment. Some will buy bonds, and those wanna take the risk. What they'll do, they'll buy some large cap stocks. So in this way, they will divide their asset class and they will invest that money. So same thing was happening in Japan. Big hedge funds, they used to borrow Japanese yen from Japanese central bank. They used to invest in dollar index. They used to invest in bonds, and they used to buy the large company stock. And in this way they used to invest in different asset class. So far it was going good, but from now Japanese central bank, what they want, that they're telling that we just want to strong our currency. So now what Japanese central bank is telling, you can still borrow the money, but previously interest cost was 0, we didn't used to charge anything, but from now we'll charge 0.25%. so now you might tell that what if like 0.5% increased. See, the hedge funds or some large capital organization, they used to borrow a huge amount, okay. So for them is huge. So previously they didn't have any risk, but now they are having huge risk, because if their investment goes in wrong, or how they'll repay the loan to Japanese government. You might see on recent stock correction in the US. So like in last 5 days, Intel has been crashed 35%, Amazon has been crashed 12.5%, almost 13%, and Tesla has been corrected 12%. So you can see how big sell-off is going on, because it is all about the fear, okay. And one big news is coming that US might go in recession, so it is one of the biggest reason also. And if you look at the Indian market, see, Indian market also getting corrected. If I show you the FI selling data, you will get to know. See, FIIs are selling continuously in total July. They are in sell-off mode actually. 5th August on Monday, FII sold near about 10,000, and on 6th August they also sold near about 3,500 crore. So if you look at the July data, in July month they completely sold lot of stocks, okay. They are just squaring their position. So simply they are just pulling out money from the market, because those money they borrowed from the Japanese central bank, they have invested in Indian stock, and as well as they invested in crypto. So that's why you'll find out that Bitcoin has been crashed a lot. So now the big question is coming, like what should be your approach? So my recommendation would be, guys, so suppose you are thinking that in recent time I'll invest 1 lakh. So whenever you'll find out the correction, on the big correction days, you just invest 5 or 10,000, just buy them in a SIP way. And one more important thing is, like without any reason market was getting rallied. If you look at the Nifty, within a very short time it has been touched 25,000. Like on the result day market has been crashed, and result was not good for BJP. In spite of that, on the very next day market has been rallied again. And if you look at the budget was not okay at all, because on the budget LTCG and short term capital gain tax, that also has been increased, and it didn't affect that also too in the market, because it was just temporary. And on the after the budget again it has been touched the new high, and almost it has touched near about 25,000. So without any reason, obviously market was moving, market was giving the rally, so which was not any logical things, because see, market goes gradually, but one single bad news is enough to be corrected, okay. Market just need one bad news, and that bad news can hamper a lot to the market. So that's what happened. So sit with a cash, okay. Buy, like whenever you'll find out some dip, definitely you should buy some good fundamentally stocks. And if you're holding some high P stocks which are not fundamentally strong, do one thing, you just I'm not telling to square up all of your position, you just reduce your position from those stocks and sit with some cash, because we don't know, we might see a big correction, or from here we can recover again. So that's all guys for today's video. If you think that my video was valuable to you, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.